I won again! This game is amazing! Just one more level.
Tom failed another math test. His parents need to know.
Hello, Mrs. Parker. Tom received an F in math.
Tom lied to us. I can't believe this.
Ethan, Tom's teacher called. He failed his math test.
We work hard for him. Why is he wasting his future? This is much more fun than homework. I'm getting better every day.
Tom, turn off the computer. We need to talk.
Look at this test, Tom. Can you explain this grade?
The test was too hard. Everyone did badly.
You spend all day playing games. You are ignoring your responsibilities.
You don't understand me. You only care about grades.
You don't understand me. You only care about grades.
I hate this house. I'm leaving.
Tom, come back here now!
I don't need anyone. I can live by myself. They will see. I can take care of myself.
Ethan, wake up! Tom is gone!
Oh no! Tom ran away from home!
Where is Tom? Is my brother okay?
Tom! Where are you, son?
This is easy. I don't need anyone's help.
I'll go to a big city. My new life starts today.
Please tell me if you've seen him. We're very worried.
Nobody can stop me now. I'm finally free. A neighbor saw him near the station. Let's hurry. Wait. Did I hear Mom and Dad?
Tom! There he is!
Tom, please come home. Don't do this. No! I'm not
coming back.
Tom, please don't leave me.
I'll be fine on my own. I'm sorry, Lily. I have to go.
Tom! Please come back!
I'm getting sleepy. Maybe I'll rest for a little while. I'll just close my eyes for a few minutes. They'll stop worrying soon. Everything will be okay. This adventure is going to be great! My backpack! Where did it go?
No, no! No! It can't be gone!
My money was inside. My clothes were inside too. What am I going to do now? This city is much bigger than I thought.
I'm so hungry. I should have bought food earlier.
My feet hurt. I'm so tired. Mom would know what to do. Dad would help me. Hey. Are you okay?
I ran away from home. Now I have nothing.
Here. Take some of my bread. Thank you. You saved me.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Ben. I don't have a family. The streets are my home. You live alone? Every day? You shouldn't leave your family. Family is everything. Maybe I made a mistake.
Come on! Follow me!
Ben.
We made it. We'll stay here tonight.
It's so cold here. I can't get comfortable.
You get used to it.
This is normal for me.
I miss my bed. I miss my family.
Dinner is ready, Tom. Come join us.
Wake up, Tom. It's morning.
Mom. Oh, it was only a dream.
We need money for food. Let's collect cans today. I've never done this before.
Ben? Don't worry. You'll learn quickly. I complained about chores at home. Now I understand how hard work feels.
We collected a lot today. This should be enough. We collected a lot today. This should be enough.
We have enough money for pizza.
Really? That sounds amazing! Give me your money!
No! We worked hard for this.
Give it to me now! Or you'll regret it.
Ben? I'm scared.
Take it. Just leave us alone.
Our money is gone. Our money is gone.
It's okay. At least we're safe. I'm sorry, Ben. This happened because of me. No. No, Tom. Friends help each other.
I'm so hungry again.
My head feels strange. Tom! Are you okay? I don't feel well. Somebody help us! Please! Where am I? Where am I? Please be okay, Tom.
Oh, Tom. You're finally awake.
Mom! Dad. Mom. Dad.
Please forgive me. Running away was a mistake.
We forgive you, Tom. We love you.
Grades matter. But you matter more. Ben! You're here! Ben, thank you for helping our son. You're part of our family now.
I learned something important. Family is the greatest gift of all.